Hello, my name is Craig Krouse. I'm the President and Chief Operating Officer here at Tier 1.
And I'm Marcie Newell. I lead the sales team here at Tier 1. Welcome to our first installment of the Tier 1 Cloud series. We're going to be diving deep into the world of the cloud in general and then transition into cloud hosting.
To kick off the series, Marcie, we're going to be talking about Oracle EBS upgrades. For those of you in the Oracle world, already realize that Premier support ends this year for 12.1.3 of EBS. So if you're not on 12.2, you really need to be thinking about an upgrade right now.
Good information, Craig. Well, can you explain to the crowd how do 12.2 eBusiness Suite upgrades and migrating to the cloud go hand in hand?
Absolutely, Marcie. The main goal of an EBS upgrade project is to provide additional functionality that will benefit your business. We often see operating system upgrades and hardware refreshes bolted onto the project to help reduce the impact to the business.
Thanks, Craig. Let's dig a little deeper into why this all makes sense.
I would love to, Marcie. Including a migration to the cloud during an upgrade can help reduce interruptions to the business by consolidating any production outages and reducing the regression testing required when tackling operating system upgrades or hardware refreshes as individual projects. In addition to reducing interruptions to the business, a migration to the cloud during an upgrade may also reduce your Oracle technology support costs. The Tier 1 private Oracle Cloud leverages Oracle's Trusted Partitions policy, which can reduce your annual Oracle support fees by up to 75%.
So now that we've reviewed the benefits, let's talk about how we can get this done. Craig, can you cover that for us?
Sure thing, Marcie. The first step in the process is to perform an assessment of your current Oracle footprint. The assessment will identify areas impacted by the upgrade and determine if current business processes may benefit from the features and functionalities available in the new release. The assessment will also take into consideration the impact the upgrade will have on any of your customizations. Once we complete the assessment, the next step is to complete an ROI analysis, which will determine the cost savings associated with moving your Oracle technologies to the Tier 1 private Oracle Cloud. The completed assessment is used to develop a detailed project plan that we will review with your team. The plan will include an upgrade and migration timeline, as well as your internal resource requirements.
Now that we have laid out the benefits in a high-level plan, let's discuss how Tier 1 can make this happen for your business. Craig?
Marcie, I'd be happy to cover that. Unlike most Oracle service providers, Tier 1 provides personalized cloud, support, and project services for your critical Oracle technologies. This means that our upgrade and cloud teams are able to work side by side to successfully complete your upgrade and migration process without having to endure any of the frustrations or challenges associated with working with multiple IT vendors to tackle the project together. This truly makes Tier 1 a one-stop shop for all of your Oracle needs.
Thanks, Craig. That was a great explanation. Thank you all so much for watching. Whether you have a question on a database or application upgrade or migrating to the Tier 1 private cloud, please reach out to us directly and subscribe to this channel. Thank you all for watching. We look forward to seeing you again during Tier 1's Cloud series.